is Ashimta J from class 4D. Today I am going to share my views on a topic, air pollution. Air pollution is one of the most serious problems in the world. It makes environment dirty, causes harmful effects on plants, animals and birds. Air pollution creates difficulty in breathing. To make the environment clean, plant more trees, save water by turning off the water taps while you brush your teeth, turn off the lights when not in use, prefer walking whenever possible, use cloth bags for shopping, stop using plastic bags, recycle trash into some artwork, so go green, breathe clean, wipe out pollution before it wipes you out, keep the oceans blue and the planets green, better environment, better tomorrow. Thank you, have a nice day.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, it's me signing off.